Ocean perception, a patented proven solution for marine mammal mitigation, integrating sensors, cameras, radar, and software into one powerful platform. Proven in multiple field trials, ocean perception successfully detects and tracks whales and other protected species. In 2025, we put ocean perception to the test in the Dutch sector of the North Sea, aboard Van Oord's MPI Adventure offshore wind installation vessel. During vessel transit and active monitoring, the system delivered precise detections, day or night. Thermal cameras, sensors, and radar work in unison to track marine mammals and wildlife. A centralized mission control station transforms mammal monitoring into a fast, streamlined process, integrating multiple data streams in real time. With 360-degree thermal imaging, we see the entire monitoring zone, even in low light. Night operations become safer and more efficient with crystal-clear visibility. Our radar not only tracks marine mammals, it detects seabirds floating or in flight, helping protect migration paths. From whales to birds, the system identifies and tracks movement across the offshore environment. Automated alerts pinpoint species locations on an interactive map, enhancing situational awareness and compliance. With remote operations, data flows instantly to onshore teams, supporting real-time decision-making. Operators can track activity live from anywhere in the world. From the US to the North Sea, ocean perception detects and tracks marine mammals with unmatched accuracy, protecting ocean life while maximizing operational uptime. Ocean perception revolutionizes marine mammal and wildlife monitoring, protecting our oceans while keeping operations on track.